Magic, you better witness this shit.
You play with Magic already?
Bro, I haven't played with y'all, man.
Damn, that's fucked up.
Yesterday is my first time playing with you.
Nice. Now we're gonna play every day now.
Look, like
Day,
out of
bro.
nowhere, bro. You just invited me, bro.
Hell yeah, I'm gonna invite your ass, shit. I see you on, bro.
I hopped in, I was like, damn, who am I with? And then all of a sudden you said, hey, oh, Reaper, I forgot your phone
Shit,
being or
Magic.
something like that. You ready? Ready? Stop talking. Ready? Ready?
Yo,
We good, huh? Boom!
That's not me. That's Magic.
Boom! Oh shit! Boom!
Oh, what? Double shot?
Oh. Okay.
Oh, that's you?
Magic, bro. Magic be playing, bro. Don't do those
Whoa! Shit. Oh, that's Magic I just killed. That's not you. You don't want to just kill me, bro. I'm the one to kill you.
Yeah, bro, this guy is using an automatic gun, bro. This guy. Magic, bro. Man, take that shit off, bro.
Magic, right there.
Magic, bro. Nah, bro.
Are you serious?
Yeah, you cheater, bro. You cheater. Look, I no scope him, bro. I no scope him. God damn. Okay.
Oh shit, why am I so slow on shooting, bro? Let me see.
Yeah, it's always the ones that behind the remote controller, you know?
I like it.
Is that what Finto said? Finty so sad.
I like that.
What's with that tomahawk? What's with that tomahawk?
You can throw it. You can throw that.
Ah!
Oh, sorry, my brother.
Oh, you distracted me, that Magic.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that's smooth. Okay.
Oh, I'm sorry.
That's good.
I'm sorry.
Sorry.
Double shot! What the fuck is going on?
Too deep, bro. Too deep.
I mean, shit. I'm on live right now, so I gotta win. I mean, Ivy! Hey, why you kill me, bro? I'm about to fuck you up, bro. Nigga, stop playing. Nigga, stop playing.
Ooh.
I'm sorry, YouTube. I do this shit.
Bro, the reaction, bro, is so slow as fuck, bro.
Too much sauce. No, all you gotta do is run away and reload. And kill. And kill. And kill. What the fuck? And kill. Headshot.
Ooh.
That's a headshot,
okay,
bro.
Okay.
I ain't tripping. Oh, he dirty, bro. He shot me from the back. Nigga, don't be sliding. Yo, I threw this shit from the day one, nigga. Don't be hiding. Hey, what the fuck? Oh, Reaper. You just a statue standing there.
With your own gun, bro. With your own gun. Think about that.
Why are you using my gun, though?
Ooh.
Oh, shit. I gotta reload. You gotta kill me right now.
Ooh. Ooh.
And play with me.
Ah.
Play with me. Too much sauce. Don't play with me. Oh. How the fuck I missed that?
Oh, Scoper.
Oh, shit. We'll kill you, Magic. Did Magic kill you, bro? Oh, you thought? Oh, that's a good defend position. Oh, shit, you're good defending your position. Not anymore.
Oh.
Oh, that's a nice move, Magic. Oh, shit.
Oh, I didn't see you there, bro. Fuck.
Oh, shit, I lost my sniper. No. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, yeah. Oh, I never gave up on that. Don't be arch. What's up? What's up? Oh, no, I used so much. What's up, nigga?
Nice. Nice.
Oh! I just died.
Oh my gosh.
Oh! Oh, he's a hip fire? Yeah, he's hip firing my ass. Where are you, bro? Reaver! Reaver!
Why you guys picking on me for?
Reaver!
God damn!
Hey, why do I keep losing my gun? Reaper. Reaper.
That was okay. This guy.
Oh, he killed me too. Oh, he killed him. You killed that fucker. Jeep. Reaper.
Oh, what? Reload.
Yeah, I know you gonna reload, bro. Oh, I was getting up, bro.
Ooh. Ooh.
Oh, I'm stuck. Reaper! Where are you? I'm gonna let you leave. Yeah. Why are you shooting at me, though? That's the question. Hey, why you ready, bro?
Oh, you fuck!
Bro.
He got me, he got me.
A little bit baby. Oh shit, that guy art scoped the shit out of me. What the fuck? No way, bro.
Why so close, bro? Why so close, man? God damn.
Hey, freaking dreamer. You're a cat.
There ain't no way, bro.
Oh.
Ooh, with that jump, bro. Oh.
Yeah, nice. Yeah, watch out. This guy's gonna flashlight your ass.
Magic, really, bro? Do you have to fucking follow me like that, bro? Man, let me reload at least. Oh my gosh.
Don't be art scoping me. Nigga die. Art scoping. I was just spinning on me, nigga.
Wait. Oh, there ain't no way.
Woo! Nice, I've been doing that shit. Where are you going, bro?
Ah, dude, god damn, bro. Okay.
This guy art scoping right now, bro. Watch out.
Damn, this guy, bro.
Art scope. Art scope. That's not him. I see you. I see you, bro.
Magic. Thank you. Thank you for standing there. Oh, where you at? Oh, where you at?
Wait. My bad.
Oh,
I tried to finish you, bro. I tried to finish you, bro. I follow you. I've been following you, bro. I tried to finish your ass over there, bro.
Oh.
Man,
Magic,
dying.
right here.
I only got 2 more and I keep dying. I don't know what happened. I'm tired or something. Ooh, nice move, bro.
Think about that. If that's hit, bro, that's a hit.
I know, watch out. I only got 2 more kills left, yo. One more kill.
Wow, magic. Wow.
Last kill. Yes. That's a 360 and I cannot finish it.
Oh.
Alright, let me kill you for the last kill. Yes!
Oh.
You killed me again, bro.
Oh.
Oh, you wanted to be dead right now? Oh! Alright, nigga, you gonna be dead.
Oh.
Oh, watch me pull up on you, bro. Oh, why you kill me, bro? I'm about to.
Oh.
Oh, skippily group. Oh, Magic kill me. It's alright. I got only one. Oh!
Oh. I'm gaining up on you, my boy. I'm gaining up on you, my boy.
I hope you make your turn.
Oh, shoot. Oh. Bro, run it back. That's a warm up.
It is, bro.
No.
Man, that's a warm up for me. What you talking about?
That was a warm up, bro. That's just a warm up.
Oh my God.
Run it back. Man, don't.
YouTube, I do that shit, by the way. You know that.
Fuck that. Nah. Nah, he's gonna take it back. He's gonna take it back. Fuck no.
Alright, what are we playing? Trios Reaper? You say Trios Reaper or something, Reaper?
Yeah, that's fine, bro.
Alright, it's just me and you, bro. Magic left. You're about to see the reality show.
The reality.
Yeah,
those moments.
Yeah. We're going right now. That's thing you know, bro. I'm not really that good though. I just accidentally shot you.
Hold on. Let me fix me a bit on that real quick.
Whoa. Ain't no excuse on the bill.
Whoa. Hold on. Chill.
Alright. Chill.
Okay, let's go. I am so ready. To kill your ass.
What the fuck?
No diddy. It's not what you think, my bro. It's not what you think.
No, I'm not saying that. I'm just saying this. Oh. Alright. I see the movement has changed right now. I see the movement.
Hey! Ow, bro! Okay,
what?
let me see.
What the fuck? You thought I'm an art scoper? I'm sorry.
No. That
I'm
corner,
so sad.
that's kind of suspicious on that corner right there, bro.
Oh, yeah. I know what you mean, cool.
Why you running?
I'm right here with you. Ain't nobody running, bro. I'm just right there.
Ooh, that ATS. Ooh, I see you.
Bro. I'm just different. You gotta slide or something. Yeah, cool up. And then come to the middle and die. Hey! Negative. Oh, nice. That's a fast pick. I cannot even react to that.
Yo, you can see the kill cam if you want to.
No. I don't see kill cam, bro. I die and I die. Whoa! That's a fast one, bro.
Okay. Okay, you need to chill sometimes, you know.
Oh,
You gotta
shit,
pick your own size, you know, sometimes.
Hey!
Okay.
Hey!
This guy.
Hey! I done dollared that shit over here. Oh, what the fuck? That's
Yes, sir.
pretty
Yes,
fast,
sir.
bro.
That's not even fast, bro. Oh shit!
No, don't be saying that. You fast.
Why you spawning always behind me, bro?
Cause he's better to be honest.
Ooh!
Yo, I'm right there. Shoot me. Why you kick my gun, bro? For what? You killing me, bro? My own gun is crazy. This guy, he wanna kill me with my own gun. Oh my god.
Why, bro? Why am I making those marks, but it didn't hit, bro?
I didn't know.
Okay.
That's your shading.
Okay.
And that's your controller.
Is it because the delay? No,
that's because of your shading. You gotta
Oh,
fix your
okay.
shading.
Wow.
Where you going, bro?
Wow. Nah, you talking shit right now. You talking shit right now.
No,
Okay,
I swear,
okay.
I fixed my shading and then I have no more problem with it. That's why I told you I use two shadings. One different one on the Warzone and a different one on the multiplayer. So when I came to multiplayer, I gotta use different shading. No talk shit, just looking at you.
See, bro? Bro, I'm
shading.
making all those marks, but still cannot hit, bro. Is it? Okay, I think it's because of your movements. I think so. Okay. I see.
I just, you know, you gotta go the other way when that nigga comes the other way. You know, trying to make him turn around and not aiming at you.
Look.
Some of my
See,
shots
right
got
the way
delay.
you just move from that location. You know what I mean?
I what you mean.
It's
really
way different, bro. Okay. I'm not gonna be bitching no more. Let's go.
Come on now. I mean the same movement.
Same movements. Yeah. It's just me, bro. It's just me.
Yeah, you just killed me right away. See? No problemo, man. Oh, you behind me? Hello. Oh, the 360 is crazy.
I see.
Good to see. No, I mean. Oh! I didn't expect that. I thought that's my skill set right there. I can hear you far away, bro. Behind you, bro. Look, I just find you already. Just want to let you know where I'm at before we fight. Oh, I missed. Oh, I missed again. Shooting behind him. Oh, I love you. Maybe I love you.
Bro, is it, bro? There's something on my fucking screen, bro.
Oh, I am going crazy.
You're feeling good.
I've been doing this shit. I've been feeling good every time I play Sniper. I ain't gonna lie to you.
This guy.
Or multiplayer. I'm a hardcore player, right? Oh! On signature shots. On signature. Oh, let me reload. Just stand still. Oh! That's a hit shot.
Oh, for now.
Damn. Crazy shot right there, bro. Oh, you think you're gonna hide from me? Oh shit, why am I losing signature shots right now? Oh, come on now. From the back. Pull it. What about that X? Oh shit. Oh, nice.
Oh wait, what? Bro, you just stood there like that? Okay.
Yeah, I just stood there. But don't do it, cause I will kill you. It's different. I have a different setting, bro. Let's just stand there. I will kill you easily.
Keep that energy. Keep that energy. Oh, oh.
Oh, out of the map and always kill you? It's crazy. Hey, welcome to the stream.
Got me outside. Got me outside
Welcome to
then.
the stream, bro. I'm playing with my good friend of mine. Alright, 360 for you, YouTube. Oh shit. Oh! You still in dealing with that shit. I see you behind the car, bro. When you run, when you turn, go back to the same spot. Lay down.
What? Okay. Chill. There is no way you make that shot. Even though
360.
I was the first one who did that shit.
360 for you, YouTube. Another one. Oh, why am I too late, guys? Let's go. Focus shots. Focus shots. I am going crazy. Oh! Fuck. How this guy's come back? Oh, that's a hit shot, man. I see you got twice in a row, maybe third time. Why you turn around, bro? Oh my god. You
Bro, I didn't even
disrespecting
see
me,
you. You
man.
were.
You are disrespecting me, man. Ah! Eh! What the fuck? Ah! Ah, why you what the fuck? Ah! Oh my god.
Why you laying
Hey, bring
down
it
like
back.
that?
Bring it back.
T-Pat.
Bring it back. Oh my god. That's dang. Hey, you come back, bro. That's 9 points. Easy. Oh, I see you, bro. Oh! I know what's going on. Let me see. Oh, somebody just joined. That's Casey. King. Get down. Hey, that's me, bro. Ah! Yeah, I see you, man. I shoot enough move too fast. That's why you're doing better. What? Oh. You thought? Oh, who the fuck? Oh no. That's a bad luck. Oh, I'm in love.
No mames, wait.
Baby, I'm falling in love. Hard scope die, bro. Yeah, that's speed. Nice speed, bro. Mama swear. Eh, wala.
Meet me in the middle. Meet me in the middle.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you really sure?
Oh,
I'm using your gun right now. Ace, fuck, you killed me. I am going crazy.
meet me in the middle.
Oh, you better chill out with that. I'm in love.
You fuck. Good shit, good shit, good shit, good shit.
What did I need
Wow,
to
wow.
love?
There ain't no fucking way you did that. Okay, okay, okay.
I am going crazy.
See?
Hey, stop hard schooling me, gay. Say what the fuck? You're you fucked up, dude. You killed me again, bro. Yo, try kill him. Oh yeah, you got it. Nice. Oh, I'm about to slide and then I die, bro.
Oh, you fuck! King, bro, you killing me, man. Get it, get it? You killing me? Ah, oh yeah, okay, never mind.
Oh!
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You feel that? Yep, yep.
Oh my god. Do you feel that? Do you feel that?
Ooh, ah.
You wake me up. Oh my god, I'm tired of this nigga fucking flashlighting my eyeball. So wake me up.
You
Don't wake
fucking
me
ass.
Are you running, bro? No, go kill him, bro. You run the fuck out of the area, bro.
Hey,
look at him. Yeah. This guy,
King.
bro.
This guy. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
Where is he? Give him. Nice.
Ooh. And I kill you. Oh.
Alright, let me fix my setting, bro. I'm pissed.
Yep, yep, yep. Fix your settings. Make it better for you. Where's King at? King, come back. King, come back. I see you, King. Ooh.
What about me? You see me?
Oh my God. Okay, 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 okay. This guy.
Move his son. Where daddy for news?
You always.
Oh.
Oh. Oh, yes, yes.
Thank you. Ace. This fucker fucking hard smoked me too many times, bro.
Ooh.
Gotta kill it. Where you going? Oh my god, another art
Okay.
bro. Fuck.
Oh. That's some good shit right there.
Get. Do you know what are we playing? Do you thought we just playing sniper?
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Hell no, I'm not gonna die, bro.
Oh. Whenever I
fuck,
jump, bro, you already had that advantage, bro.
Yeah.
Now I see what you're doing, and now I see what you're doing, bro.
You better see and see.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what? Where this guy are?
See? See the late reactions, bro? Nah.
Oh fuck!
Oh, what's with that? What's with that tomahawk, my boy?
Yo, you can use
What's
that
with
shit.
that tomahawk? What about now?
Yeah, you can use it. You can use it.
Aye.
Did he kill you? Oh no.
Yeah, he did. Why would you jump, bro? Why would you jump, bro? I'm sorry, god damn it, bro.
You art scope, you get an art scope. Eh! Same area, bro. What the fuck? No art scope. You gotta shoot quick. Same area, bro. Are you hiding, bro? Where are you? Stop hiding, bro.
Finish the job.
Oh, you looking for me? You're looking for me? Oh,
Oh shit.
oh, yes, sir.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do it again.
ah, fuck.
Whoa. I went twice. I want it twice. Oh!
Oh,
What
Oh.
the fuck?
oh. Where's that shot coming from?
That's your
Oh
gun I'm
my
killing
god.
you on. Get down, bro.
Sit down.
Oh my goodness.
Oh.
What? Yeah! Oh, somebody's using pistol, bro.
Oh my god. Oh my god, run it back.
What? Are you
Crazy?
I'm sorry, River, you're in a different dictionary.
Right in the nuts. I mean, the knee, not the nuts, not the knee.
That's sad. Meet my secret.
Go ahead, go ahead. Go ahead.
We're gonna play trios.
Man, you killing me, Dean. I like that, I like that.
I got some trios, man. I got some trios.
Yeah. Let's go play trios.
Yeah.
Where the fuck is Tito?
He's not playing today.
Ele cava ele and go flag me play.
Yeah, payday.
Hold on, boys.
Alright.
Bro, let not crash out lane you're going. I'm on lane.
No, you steady for.
No.
Imagine.
Let not crash out your phone. You know, she did that.
Tekrar, hindi yan ang dula.
mo, shit na yang palakan na controller, dude. What the fuck you?
What the fuck wrong with you, bro? Chill the fuck out.
Alright, ngayon na an automatic. Not an automatic turn left or move left. I gotta hold it steady.
Now you gonna be suck on Warzone, bro. I'm telling you, bro. You're getting to see nothing really good.
And then they crash out.
That's why I smoke every time I play games so I can be live the whole time. Listen, come try. Okay, bite this. One more. You want this? Like this?
Hey, FSM.
What?
FSM.
What?
Hey, what kind of guns are you using
On what?
on Warzone?
I just used my favorite
Good
one
talking
right
to you. What about you, King?
Shit depends on which gun you trying to know.
Gee.
I got 6 fucking class, nigga. Which one you wanna know?
Is it the buff ones?
It depends. You
Let me
like you
get
talking about an
let me
assault
get the
rifle,
attachments,
machine
bro.
gun? Attachments.
Yeah.
All right. So on my first loadout, my main one, I got a fucking XM4,
Oh
and
Go
shit.
sit. Go sit.
I used
Watch TV.
gunfighter on that, and I put all 7 or 8
Hurry.
attachment on it, maxed it out.
Right.
Daddy go make.
Oh, you.
Yeah. So if you put gunfighter, you don't need to put you cannot carry another secondary weapon.
Yeah.
You can max out the weapon on your primary weapon, which is I think it's good. It doesn't give me my recoil. I mean, you'll see when loadout drop. I'll let you have the gun I'm talking
I
about, so
bet.
you can see
I
what I'm talking about.
bet.
All right, cool. I got a couple loadouts though. I just had a feeling we're gonna hit this spot first. Hey, for you, FSM, I'll do this shit for you, man. This is my nigga's island right here. He's like, you look at this place like it's Koshai Rebirth. Let's go shoot it up over there. Islands. Alright. What's the deal? Get cash, loadout, or wait for the loadout? Get cash
Alright,
or
boys.
loadout.
Point it out, boys.
Should we
Which
go
one
fire
is that
weapon?
best?
Fire weapon or stronghold? Hey, 370. Say something, brother. Alright, I guess we're right there. I marked it already. Alright, so careful, it's up, it's up, it's up. You got nurses landing on the ground. Boots on the ground,
Bet.
boots on the ground.
Bet.
On the roof. Nobody landed next to me. Where you guys at?
So far, so good. At the bottom, right here. On green, on green. I guess nobody landed here. No, we should be good then.
Yeah, They're all over there.
Wait.
Yeah. I'm funny, man.
Am I tripping, bro?
Yeah, you tripped.
Oh, yeah. They're all over there, though. Okay. Yeah, we need those fucking loadout and we should be good.
Yeah, let's buy a loadout right now.
Yes, sir.
Money drop right here.
Give me cash, give me cash, give me cash.
Working on it right now. On my way. Both. There you go.
Alright, get ready. Here's my loadout. You wanted a sniper with it or just the one with the 7 attachment?
Shit, let me try one. At least one of them.
Alright, right here. Get this one. Get that one.
Okay, try these ones. No, hold on. Oh, we what? Oh, that's a wrong fucking loadout, bro. I don't know if I gave you the right one, bro.
Hey, what the?
We lost it, bro. We fucking lost the guns, bro.
It's okay. So what?
Bro, we lost the guns, bro.
You want a sniper?
Oh, bro, yeah. I lost your assault gun, bro.
Right here.
Fuck no, bro. What am I doing?
Right there,
bro?
right there.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
Bro, the loadout just fucked us up.
Oh, God.
Oh, wait. Oh, my bad. We're heading that way right now. I'm gonna be sniping.
There's a lot of people in control.
Yes, sir. Yeah. I need a higher ground and get this sniper doing.
You've got a loadout drop inbound.
Type of control.
Enemy UAV
Yep.
is online.
He's fighting right now. Let me get to an higher ground. They're right here.
Hey, fuck.
That's two full teams right there. Oh, what? I'ma hold it down, boys. I'ma hold it down. I wanna snipe him, but I can't, bro. Gotta hold it down, bro. Never mind.
Nice.
Completed. Good work. Additional target added.
Somebody on top.
Yeah, I see him. He's right here. He's weak.
Got him. Got him.
Nice. Good shit. Good shit.
Contract fulfilled. Great job. Contract online.
No, they're they're landing right here by the loadout.
Copy that.
There's nobody at control now.
UAV is online.
Yeah, we can buy a load. Yeah, I'm buying right now.
Yeah, I got 12K on me, bro. I got 12K on me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You can have those money, bro. Change your life to a better. Oh.
Oh yeah.
Fuck. Bro, there's something wrong with my fucking loadout, bro. For a second.
Five squads still operational in the AO. 10 remain.
10 remain.
Buy station prices are adjusted.
Oh, we can win
Contract
this
was
shit.
more than usual, so get it done, soldier. Enemy UAV overhead. Hostile UAV in the area. Enemy sentry is active.
Oh, they just dropped my loadout that I just bought. Oh, that's
Enemy
disrespect.
UAV overhead.
They're right there under control.
Ooh.
Online. Enemy sentry online.
No, those people over here.
Bro, if it's me, bro, I'm sorry, bro. I didn't touch your shit,
No,
bro.
no, that's not you. The enemy's
Oh.
team.
Bro, I was like, wait, what? I didn't touch anything, bro.
No,
What
I'm
the
not
fuck?
talking about you.
Hostile UAV in the
He's at the loadout. He's at the loadout.
I gotta chuck that sniper, bro.
He's at the
I'm out.
loadout.
I'm on my way. I'm on my way.
You got a sniper. Look at this. He's coming back to y'all. Watch out. That's the same nigga that been killing me like 2 times already. So he's coming around.
Get a UAV on grid. Enemy UAV is online. Enemy UAV overhead.
Nobody's with us.
Enemy sentry in the AO.
There's a bunch of loadouts up here, bro.
Got my gun.
Adjusting price.
Let's move up.
Okay, okay, okay.
I need some fucking shields.
I got you, bro. Right here, right here,
Go
right
bottom,
here.
let's go bottom.
Right here, right here.
You.
No prop, no prop, no prop.
There's only 10 people left. That means 7 people.
Hey, get on the roof of the houses, bro. Each one.
Okay. We should take
Let
this
them
one,
kill. Let
greenhouse.
them kill each other, bro. Wait.
I like
I'm
how you
sending a
think,
drone.
man. You make me want. I like how you talk like that. You make me want to race with you.
That's even
out, bro.
challenging right there. Yo.
Alright, they're right here. All of
Yes,
them. 2,
sir.
4, 5. 5 over here, y'all.
He talks so smooth that I want to race him.
Yup. It's giving more motivation. Yup.
You feel me?
The whole
Man, I
squad
like the
over
way
there.
you laid in.
Hey, let's grab this on top of this building right here.
Mo, file kill streak or something, bro.
Yeah, I got you, bro. I got you.
They're in the safe zone.
Watch out, they're right there. They
Just
can
cover
see
me.
you crossing the area.
I got you, bro. I got you.
Yeah. Just send it
They
over
might
there,
be
please.
seeing me, but they. Oh!
Where he got you from?
He's right by the house is right next to y'all. On your right. Those small houses right there. Oh, he's sniping. That's all he's doing right now. He's sniping. Shit, take your time, boys. No rush, no rush.
And I'm to my side.
And I'm drunk as fuck, bro. Fuck.
Shit, me too, shit.
Leave no one behind.
Come straight at me. Why you shoot?
3 squads left in the war zone. Stay
Alright.
alert. All bounty targets are KIA. Well done.
I downed him, I downed him.
There's another one, watch out.
Oh no! Fuck! That motherfucker can last, bro.
Wow, you bullshit ass bitch.
Good fucking
What
one,
the
buddy.
bullets this faggot ate, bro? He still made it. You lucky, bro.
Damn!
I like this guy.
He make 2 circles on you, bro. Come on now, you cannot stand in the same position now.
Sing.
It's okay, next time.
You know what's fucked up, bro?
What?
He was talking all that shit, but he had 0 kills, bro. Oh my god!
It'd be like that too, bro.
You be like
We'll
that
see when you get
sometimes.
0 too.
Yeah, watch.
And you
watch.
better not fucking make no excuse when you get 0, bro. I swear to fucking God. If you make an excuse if you get 0, you're lame as fuck too. So don't make excuses.
Yeah, why you talking about
I'm gonna
it,
watch
bro?
you, bro. I'm gonna ask a friend every game we fucking play.
I fucking love you, bro.
Every game we're gonna play, I'm gonna screen you, I'm gonna record you, okay?
I
Thank you
know,
for being
stop,
open
bro.
now. Now I
No,
know.
I would never do that shit to you.
Niggas hopped on, you better calm down,
Oh,
you drunk
I
ass.
fucking like you, bro. I fucking like
Yo,
you.
you better chill out, bro. You better chill out.
I'ma send you a friend request. Bro, fucking
Yo, it's
send
first
me a
time,
friend
first
request.
game we played together
Fuck
and you're already
you,
talking.
no.
Come on now.
I
Come
fucking
on
love
now,
you.
brother. Brother,
No,
brother.
fuck no.
That's an Islander and the Islander. Be humble, my brother. Don't judge the boat by its cover too early, eh? Okay, we shall see. We shall see.
I would send you.
Okay, I didn't know you use that, nigga, bro. You gonna watch that shit? You're the stats guy.
yeah,
Okay.
yeah.
I got you, assistant coach. I'll put up some stats this time.
Let's go. Okay,
Alright, I'll make sure I'm not a
let's
bench
do
player.
this.
Hey, yo, Emerson, just like that kid you was talking about, huh? Hey, he used to bench warmer. The game was done. He had no kills. I was like, oh, what happened to the bench warmer, huh?
No.
The bench warmer ended up with 4 and he had none. Alright, this
Yo,
guy.
you keep your guns, bro. You keep the guns.
Watch me make you swallow your laugh with your beer.
Alright, let's
Don't
get
choke on
it. Get
that
it.
beer. Alright, we go.
Long win, bro.
Where you going, bro?
I'll win.
Yellow.
Make the best player wins.
Roger.
Try and get 20. Get it. Get it. I'm gonna try.
They're close, bro? Hell no, that is so quick.
They're right next to us. King,
Yeah,
you're the
they're
one.
right
You're the
next to
one
us.
they're looking for. Watch out, King. They're right next to you. Yeah, right here, right on buy station. Buy station. On buy station.
On my way, on my way.
You thought I'm gonna run.
Ooh, just letting you know, my boy. He got friends. He got friends, my boy. Yeah, he got friends, my boy. He still got friends, my boy. What you talking about?
He's still here.
Nah, it's just me, can't sleep. What you talking about?
Enemies are dropping into the area. Watch the skies.
Where you guys at? Where you guys at?
They're on the building above.
They're right here. They're right here, in front of us.
Yep. Why you hiding, you pussy? Fuck yeah.
Good work.
Fucking right on time, tackle, bro.
Yes, sir. And we got those monies, bro. We good.
And let's go buy
I got 10K on me.
We've got 10 squads active in the field.
Alright, let's get it. Let's buy something.
25 are left. Stay sharp out there. That's closing in.
Oh shit.
Enemies dropping into the AO.
They're on top right now.
I got him. I got him. I got him. I
Just
got
buy
him.
a loadie, don't worry about them. I got them on. Oh, we ain't got them on.
He's gonna jump anyways.
Yeah, them stupid
Yep.
ass.
To that squad on your tag map.
Yep.
Sorry, bro. I do that shit.
Bro, my guns.
Oh, you need to use my guns? Come and get it. It's good guns.
No, it's not that, bro.
You wanna try my guns or
I
what?
don't know. It's just my class is fucking up, bro. It's whenever I choose my guns, right? My class is just
Default
bro. It's just give me regular guns, like the
default guns.
default guns. Yes, 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 yes. Oh my god. It's all good. It's all good. I was trying to give King my guns, but damn, that shit fucked me up.
Oh, you talking to King, bro. You focusing to beat your stats. You ain't going.
Yeah, okay, shit. That shit really fucked me up, but...
There's another
Yeah.
loadie.
It's just, fucking up for a fucking loadie, bro. Those are my best ones, bro. Shit.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Shit, I want to show off my guns too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You gotta delete all your loadout and remake it so it can be safe. Once you edit it,
Yeah,
you gotta
I-
rename it. Rename it. Say Chi or Kilo. So it can be safe and not go back to the default one. Don't leave it as a custom loadout number 1. No, no, no. It's gonna default your ass.
Okay.
You rename
really
the loadout.
Yeah. That really fucked me up.
No, get my loadout and I go get my new loadout. Get those guns, bro.
No! No!
I got a loadie over here, bro. What? I can grab it again.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I can grab it again.
Okay.
Look, I have it.
bet.
I have the same shit.
Respect that, respect that. I see you, I see you.
Nah, I'm gonna get a Mountain or something.
Let me get a UAP.
Additional target.
No, don't go over there now. Let's move on the other side.
King is right here. That's why. Oh fuck!
Sorry.
You got sniped. You got sniped. I got you covered, bro. I got you covered.
Setting waypoint. Got some loot here.
Soldier squad is outside the safe.
By the loadout. There's two by the loadout.
I'll be dead.
Got one.
Oh, he's go for the bounty. Bounty is up front. Control.
Okay. I'm hearing footsteps.
Yeah. On top, on top.
Oh, you fuck. Third floor, control.
Hostile UAV in the area.
Suck!
Remaining operators from that squad. Hunt them down. Enemy UAV is online. Your squad mates back on station. Good work. Fire fail active.
Oh, he's weak. Oh, he's weak. Oh, fuck.
Hostiles have established a SAM turret.
What? Somebody took my gun like that?
You suck!
On my way, on my way.
You died.
Primary objective complete. All targets eliminated.
See, the same loadout you're using, I'm using.
Ooh, he got friends. Just letting you know, my boy. He got friends too. What you talking about? Oh, fuck.
You still have squad mates outside the safe zone.
Ooh. Ooh.
Enemy dropping into the AO.
I'm gonna buy you back.
You have reinforcements inbound.
Who shot you back? I hear somebody. No, he back already,
got-
bro.
Bro. We got
another
this lot of
loadout.
money right here, bro. What are we gonna do with all this money, bro?
Fire cluster, kill streak.
Available.
SDVR awaiting targeting data.
Do we have here a UAV?
TACOM, I need eyes overhead.
Ah.
Marshal, requesting UAV
Give me your money, please.
Right here, right here. I got you. I got you, bro. Chill. I got you. Man, that's all my life savings right there, bro. Just for you. If I died, that was it.
Pressing score streak.
Moving in, moving in. Left side.
Oh, they're on top of prison
Yeah, I
and
got you, I got
on
you.
top of the road right here. Ah, you know what?
Cluster on their position.
Fuck it.
I throw a cluster on their position.
Bro.
Move, move, move.
You're losing ground. Moving.
Go. We're heading this way, bro. Oh.
People on the bottom.
Oh.
He's on the water.
Fuck! They're right by the buy station. They're right there by the station. Buy station.
Gotcha. Yes! What the fuck is... Oh, I'm fucked. Oh, no.
It's all good, bro. It's all good.
Nice, nice.
It's too hot. Too hot.
I need another pair, that's all it is.
Hey, let me host. Let me try host.
Alright.
FSM.
Okay.
FSM.
Yeah, I got you.
Okay. Oh, why would he left, bro?
We don't like you.
Bro,
You
you
pissed
know what's
him
really
off,
funny, bro? I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
No, you always
That's your
do
friend.
that. No, he's all good. You always
You know
do.
what's
Do you know
really
what he
funny,
just
bro?
told me? You just told me that you was so mad yesterday while we were playing. You smashed his controller, and then when he just got
Right.
turned on, first match,
Right.
you say, "Man, you know what fucked the thing is? You ain't got no kills." Yo, that shit pissed him off more, bro.
No,
You know that.
honest to God, I want to talk. It's because you weren't talking, bro. That's what I said. I feel guilty, bro. No, I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry if it's your friend or something like that.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, bro.
No, I never
So,
met him. It's just a good
bro, even if my friends do like that shit, bro, I would straight up saying that shit. I don't give a fuck, bro. He was talking shit the whole fucking lobby, bro. He was talking shit. And I was thinking like, damn, he was taking all those kills, bro. That's what I was like. Okay, you know what? I'ma check the kills, bro. I'ma check how many kills did he got. For the whole fucking lobby, he was talking shit to us. Like, the way he was talking to us, like, he was talking shit. And okay, bet. Okay, I'ma just check the score shit. Once I checked it, you got 3 kills. I got 2 kills, bro. He got 0 kills, bro. That really fucked me up. That really fucked me up. I was like, damn. Efferson was talking to him, telling him what to do, but he wasn't listening to him. And now I was trying to, tell him, was he's,
Yeah, you always do that.
Okay, I'm gonna keep my mouth shut. But
Yeah, you always pissed off.
I respect you, bro. I'm just saying, bro. It's just I'm just annoyed by that.
His own real friend in real life. I said, man, you're tripping, bro. Chill the fuck.
That really fucked me up because the way he talked shit to you,
the guy
that
he
really
asked.
fucked me up, bro. I'm
Remember
sorry.
when he asked, "Where's Tito?" Yeah, that's the guy I'm talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah, Tito's
Yeah.
temper. You gotta chill the fuck out now.
Hey, I'm the host, right? Oh fuck.
Yeah.
Okay, my bad. Hey, are you guys trying to?
Hey, let's
Why
go
don't
play
we
Search
try
and
that
Destroy
area?
Hardcore.
Oh,
Random.
this is what I like about you, man. Yes,
Search
sir.
and Destroy
Yes.
Hardcore, bro.
Why you left, bro? Everybody doesn't like you, huh?
Oh, I like it.
That's not friend. That's not my friend, bro.
Ooh.
That guy that just left.
Who joined?
The one that just joined.
What is his name? I'm outside smoking. I didn't see the TV.
You're smoking right now?
Mm-hmm.
You know what? I don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck. Honest
Yeah,
to God,
yeah,
I
fuck
don't
it.
give a fuck.
Fuck it,
We're
start.
just gonna play whatever we're gonna be playing.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It
yeah,
is what
yeah,
it
yeah,
is.
yeah.
Isn't that right? Money.
Hell yeah. Play that shit.
And the way you talking to me, you trying to hawk two on me, bro. What the fuck you talking about, bro? Oh, babe, chill, in the background, chill.
Oh my god. I need to go to sleep.
I won't
Hear
talk
that.
to my friends on him, man. I'm trying to do some Forrest Gump on one.
Take it on the chin. Get ready for the next round.
I respect you. Hey, babe, stop. It's just a name. It's just a name. Don't worry
Babe, you
about it.
dropped it on the floor, babe.
You said what?
Sit on the floor.
No, it's not working. Where's charger? Go bring. Go ask mommy where charger. What, you guys broke his charger? Oh my god. Hey, I didn't spawn yet. I don't know why. I missed
Because you
two
guys got the
match.
Doritos.
Man, shut the fuck up. You talking shit.
Somebody
Octua.
definitely gonna hawk to her over there.
You know what? You look like that Octua looking ass girl. Shut your bitch ass up.
Bomb
My
planting
bad.
progress.
My bad, son. My bad. My bad. That's me.
Bomb active.
Where's the last nigga, bro?
Woo!
Bomb.
Teammate, I wanna
Bomb.
cut you
Bomb.
out so bad.
Failures not in crimson.
This shit is weak.
Say, uncle.
Next kill off here.
Why would he pee right there, babe?
Safe your windows open. Go, go, go.
He hasn't got anything.
There ain't no way.
Babe, he didn't.
Zeus would never pee right there, bro. Hold on.
Can't hear him.
Bloody time you got off your asses.
No, I ain't mean to you. I ain't mean to you, Atari. You can join us. Atari, you can join my lobby anytime. That's why I leave it open, alright? Sorry, I'm talking to the stream.
Nah, you good, bro.
Eliminate the objective.
Yeah, in the window.
In the garage, in the garage.
What's up, bro?
How many?
Well,
How
we're
many
playing
left?
BO6.
3.
God damn.
talk
Yo, why
to
you
her.
do that, bro?
They're defending. I'm planting.
It's
Oh
alright.
my
Let's
god,
lost
bro,
this.
that scared the shit out of me. That really scared it. Bro, you just jumped in front of me, bro.
Kaya son, why you do this?
What?
You don't want
Okay,
to take off?
that's why your name is
You?
Ghostface. I see you. Run it back then.
Hardcore search and destroy.
Damn, he just fucking jumped in front of me.
Remind the fugitives that actions have consequences.
They weren't fired. What, Torian? Where is it?
Nice, nice, nice.
Downstairs, dude, downstairs.
Oh, there's one in our spawn, second floor. One feed three. You're by yourself, FSM. Ooh.
One
One
left,
v
one
one,
left.
FSM. 1v1.
Time short. Put your head down and secure the target.
Left.
Hey!
Like it. Good shit, GG boys. Almost.
Catfish? Do you get the BO6 multiplayer Atari? You can join us.
Turn it back.
Mm-hmm.
Nope. Hold on. Let's go.
Let's see, where's Atari? Oh, you don't have BO6, alright. I'm sorry, we're playing it. Rasky, bro. Join us. Rasky's a Kosraean and know how to speak Bonabin. Stay in Bonabin for a long time. Oh, Icy. What's up, Icy? Eh, where's the phone? Oh, when I should church, forget. Ay, wag ang naos na Moscow.
Hardcore search and destroy. Defend the objective.
There, remember na Moscow.
Yeah? Hey, are you on stream right now? FSM, are you on stream right now?
I bet I'm looking. Where steady phone is, and do you see? Find it. I'll try to look for it. I'm gonna find it.
There's one in our spawn. Behind you. There's one in our spawn.
MTC's nearly Terminate with extreme prejudice.
2v1. God damn. 1v1, 1v1. That's my boy right there.
Gotta do it. Headshot. Thank you, Atari.
O policial civil não estava em casa, a casa estava vazia. Só que o que acontece, Marcão? Ele conseguia monitorar as câmeras de...
Work quick and clean. No witnesses.
Hey, fuck. I was about to say, bro. B is not clear, bro. B is not clear. Don't you B. Plan B, plan B, plan B.
Not much time left. Put this to bed. There's one traitor left. Eliminate them. Setting up the bomb.
He's heading for B right now. It's all good. Your teammate is covering you right now. Good shit, teammate. Oh, alright, alright. I see you, boy. Oh, he's covering your ass the whole time, bro. This guy right here.
Teamwork's mixed to trimwork.
Yes, sir.
Let's find it.
Protect the objectives.
Watch out! Ah!
Oh, there's 4 left.
It's all good.
2 versus 4.
Damn, I'm drunk.
Hostiles have planted the bomb.
I am drunk.
I'm drinking Modelo, so it's pretty light.
Bro, I'm drinking Modelo. What you talking about?
Yeah. I got a 12
this shows
pack.
proof.
I'm at my 10.
Oh,
I'm
you
about to rat out.
fucking...
No time for motion.
Sorry. That's my fault. Wasn't focusing. Cause FSM is talking shit to me.
You didn't see it? See in the kitchen? What's back in the kitchen? Oh, it's morning time!
Search and destroy.
Lock in, boys. Lock in. Don't shoot me, don't shoot me. He's right next to B. FSM, they're just right there. They're just camping right next to B.
Oh, he's in the middle.
Wait,
Fuck.
what? You just passed right there, bro. How did he pass you, bro?
I don't know.
Yeah, you just don't know. Yep.
What time are you, bro?
I know, you have to double check behind you. What is he doing?
Like a riff.
1v1.
What is he doing?
That's the bottom player, bro. That's the suckest player. Hey! Yeah. What you talking about? Yeah, nice.
Say.
Freelance.
Man, you just got freelance based. You just got spaced it. Oh, alright, we got in the mid,
One left. 3 versus 1. That's the second player. Second best player on their squad.
And it be Crook, Coon, right there.
Okay, I can't find him.
Alright.
Just stay on the bomb, bro.
That's where he got me at, so.
Okay.
That's the last one on the spot.
Okay, good shit, teammate. Good shit, teammate. Yep, you just got smoked. He just smoked you.
No, that's a clap. We just got clappity.
Eliminate the objective.
Oh no! No way!
How?
That was quick as fuck.
Come on, y'all. There's 3 on 3. 3 on 3.
Copy.
Man, you gotta go, Coon. Go.
Atari, you join us?
We're on B.
You got 3 kills. You say you got 3 kills.
He's laying on the ground.
No, you know.
He's laying on the ground. He on B, right there.
I got him.
One left. Right there on the
Y'all
boss.
go too. There you go.
On the boss. Hey.
Good shit.
Bro.
That locked in, didn't it?
Yes, sir. Wait, that's so unfair. I got the last kill, no?
Nope.
Man, Smokey got to chill sometimes.
DEI. It don't count. It don't
It
count.
don't count.
Look at that.
Let's go. Got this, boys. We got this.
Yes. Panay.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Oh, that's it. One left.
Okay,
One left.
chill, Ghost. Let me get this last kill, bro. Stop. Stop killing. God damn, Ghost, bro.
Oh. It don't count.
Damn, 5-5.
It's
Bro,
that's
Ghost.
a DEI
Chill.
Right.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Yes, sir. We got the IQ. Okay, that's fucked up, folks. Ghost, that's fucked up. Do we have to back out or
No, let's just
just stay in here?
I bet. Shit, I'm drunk, bro.
Yeah, I'm drunk too. Oh. Drunk and feeling good. Watch out, you're gonna fall. We'll smoke a cigarette again. You know what I'm saying?
You know what Langley expects. Get it done.
Yeah. Fucking just came back.
Oh shit. Hey, Eversum, you still in there?
Yeah, wait, I didn't play it.
They're pushing B right now. They're pushing B.
Okay,
They're pushing B.
Bro.
Put B. Where you going, bro?
You said pushing B, but this guy is fucking.
Where's the Eddie phone? I need to charge it.
You gay, bro.
They're gonna win, y'all. Chill out. No matter what they do. Hey! Oh, he fast. Oh, I like that.
Hella fast.
Yeah, that one was fast.
Bro, what? In our spawn already? The fuck?
Yep. Ackers right there. There ain't no way nobody grabbed that bum. Oh, okay, okay.
We're planting the bomb.
Yo, A is clear.
Terminate with
3-1, 3-1.
The bomb has been planted.
Ooh, the center by.
Yep. It's in that restaurant.
Watch bomb, watch bomb.
Watching.
The enemy's defused our bomb.
Said watch bomb. Y'all low key special for that one. Holy shit. Like, watch bomb.
You said
nobody wants to get an eye on bomb.
we were hiding the fucking bomb, bro. What the fuck?
That's
Bro. You better fucking put that mic up, bro. Fuck.
Bro, what the fuck? This is gonna piss me
Wait,
the fuck off.
what? Yo, FSM, that 808 is hacking, bro. That 808 is hacking.
Why you say that?
One traitor left. Eliminate them.
4-1. He's an electrical unit.
It's okay, let the 808 cheat.
808. What's your name again?
Wahine.
Hey, Poppin'.
Wahine.
Hey, Poppin', talk to me.
Shut it.
He said shut it.
That's a different dude. The 24. Cookie boy.
Boy, shut your ass up, bro.
Eliminate the objective.
He said you cookie boy.
Bro, what? Already in our spawn.
See?
Already in the fucking spawn. Right there.
Hey, what the fuck,
in the
River?
spawn.
Fuck!
Ooh. That's the same dude.
And spawn.
Let's see.
I need a good gun.
1v3. So they're two worst players and mid player.
Ooh, one more. Watch out, watch out. On your
There's
left.
another one right there.
Damn.
Clean it up.
Paranoid.
Alright, let's get it, boys. Let's get it.
808.
Defend the objective.
Watch for the one pushing the burger spot early. Yep, two times. Got one.
Copy.
One right outside laundry, got him. One by the mail truck.
One's burger. Or one's A, I mean. There's two A, one planting and one...
I got one on A.
One on our spot, coming around the video.
I got him.
On the boss.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Good call out.
We about to run the table on them. I'm telling you.
Stop pretending, no 808. Yeah.
Alright, watch that quick push, boys.
Take it slow, boys. Take it slow.
Yep. Blue dildos by
Outside
truck.
burger. Yep.
Copy, copy.
Still there.
Wait! He's behind us?
Took care of wash popping.
There's one in our spawn, bro. FSM behind you. Somewhere right there. Yeah.
Man, there's a sniper or something?
Damn it.
I'm just smooth myself, bro. Fuck that. I'm confused, bro. This shit is killing me. 808, you need to get reported.
I don't see y'all running no tape.
Oh, rap better. Wow.
Hey, can you take it out of your mouth before you talk, please?
Why? Why?
Dude's 2 and 2 talking smack. Get out of here.
What the fuck?
It ain't working.
It ain't working, sir.
He said he ain't working.
Oh fuck, popping right there at the going to our back spawn, back spawn.
Don't come through this door, FSM.
I got 808.
Bust through.
Last one is snipe.
Go for the bomb.
Somebody defuse it. No, defuse it. Defuse it. All of us got confused. No.
Are you serious?
What are you doing? Wait.
No,
are you serious?
Sorry. It's a mistake, bro.
Are you serious?
No, bro. That's a mistake, bro.
Hey, whose boy is this? You're trash, my guy.
He's not a boy. Boy, he's not a boy. He's a man. Just letting you know.
He's definitely a boy.
Nah, shut up, bro. He's a man. Just letting you
Yeah,
know.
boy.
I'm sorry, bro. Jeez.
He's a man.
We won though, shit. That's all it is.
Shut the fuck up.
You shut your fuck up.
Oh, left side.
Oh, your ass just got busted, nigga. Shut the fuck up.
Took care of wash popping.
I'm sorry, bro.
Oh, sniping. I don't know where at.
I don't know what. Okay.
He's down in their spawn somewhere sniping.
I'm gonna cover you. We're blinding on A. We're blinding on A. Cover Nate.
One left. Nah, you fucked up. Nah, hello.
Hell yeah. Jesus. Damn. We're on tire, bro. Damn.
CIA, you're cleared hot. Work your fragments.
Epsom, you okay?
Yeah, I'm trying to stone.
Oh my gosh, on B already. What the fuck? And he knew exactly where I was at.
Yeah, they're playing A right now.
They're on A. They're on A.
Right side.
You're scaring me, teammate.
It's 4-2.
One traitor left.
4-2.
4-1.
Maybe.
4-1.
Put your head
Spawn.
down. Secure the target.
What the fuck, dude? I see him.
.808, mahalo.
Yep. That's why y'all been packing out. That shows everything, bro. It been cheating, bro. Damn.
Right here already. Oh yeah.
I got him.
Nice. No, that's not 808.
Okay. That's one of them, though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, fuck him, spawn. Spawn building.
Copy.
Oh, he killed his own team.
2-1, 2-1.
Hey, I'm planning B.
We're setting up the bomb. Bomb active.
Damn.
That's 808.
What the fuck?
He's defusing.
1v1.
He's not defusing. He just broke a window behind you. He's gonna be coming out the building behind you.
Lead behind you.
Right there.
What the fuck? That's some retarded ass shit.
Woo! Really hard. Really hard to talk to. Okay, chill, 808.
That's not 808. Oh, that's another 808. Yeah. Whoosy.
That's another 808. That's a clan right there. Okay, I see.
Fuck, I'm getting smacked, Brad. They're on B.
B, copy. There's one on A. You got one on A.
What is all that for? And then die. Yeah! Ooh. 2 left. 2 on 2. 1 left.
Hey, 2P1, just letting y'all know. 2P1.
MTC's nearly dry. Get
Right there, right there. Right there on A. A. Going outside A. Right there on the court.
Oh, right
What
there.
the fuck?
Bro!
The same fucking dude.
There ain't no.
Motherfucker staring at him like a fucking binocular, bro.
That was a good fucking shit. Okay, chill, 808. Chill, Hawaiians, bro. Y'all be fucking chilling, bro. Nah, chill, bro.
Easy, I was shitting on you, Poppin'.
We had the fucking trash ass team, bro. That really pissed me off.
River.
That really pissed me off. Yo.
River, give me 5 minutes.
Oh shit, what happened to that 5 minutes, bro? What the fuck is going on?
I'm smoking a cigarette and a joint.
Bro.
I'm smoking a joint outside.
Bro, let me give you an advice, bro. Get a fucking vape. Get a fucking vape.
Like
Smoke a vape. Bro, I don't give a shit. Just try a fucking vape.
I have it, but it's still in my room.
Okay, and then try a fucking cart, bro.
That's what I have.
Yeah, smoke a cart and a vape. Bro, don't smoke cigarettes, bro.
No,
I promise you. Vape is way better. Cigarettes gonna give you cancer.
Well, that vape is affecting you more than a cigarette or a
No.
joint.
Nah, bro. No, bro. No. Because you sound like a fucking old man right now. If you're smoking cigarettes, bro, you sound like a fucking old man right now. Bro, hell no.
Ask Google, ask Siri.
Ask Google, ask Siri. Okay, I fuck with you. I fuck with you.
Ask Siri. Most effective.
Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah. Fuck yeah.
Vapes.
That's fucking like that. I fucking like that. Yep.
It is the fee vape. It is the fee vape. Man, seriously.
I like a vape, bro. I like vape.
I mean, I like it.
I like vape.
Times.
I like a cart, a pen.
I have the same shit.
Beetle nut. That's it. But smoking cigarettes, bro? No. Hell no. I would never try cigarettes. Yes, baby.
Well, I'm smoking
What's up?
my cigarette.
DoorDash it then. Huh? DoorDash.
See? Use DoorDash.
Hold on. My girl wants a DoorDash. Here. Hey, let me know whenever you ready. Whatever.
I'm ready.
What are you trying to get, baby?
Fuck, whatever you're buying.
I bet.
You don't want breakfast, right?
Nope.
It's Jack in the Box, it is. It's only for the serves.
Okay. Jack in the Box then.
We're different Jack in the Box. Same thing? Same thing?
Yeah. Number 3.
What the fuck am I Which one? They don't have numbers. The smash one?
No, I'll get that bacon and swish.
That one?
Yeah.
Or that one?
A butter jack, smash jack.
And regular XP 37. Fuck, I haven't used any of that shit.
Yeah, Jack in the Box.
Shut up, bitch.
Hell yeah. Shut your bitch ass up, bitch.
Since you said it, we're gonna listen. Thanks, man.
Shit.
Only if we could be as fucking
What
cool as that
humble
limp dick,
soldier
right?
there. What a humble soldier.
Right.
Yeah, large fire.
That's a Joe Biden supporter right there, if I ever heard one.
Large fries. No, it's not. No, curly. I want curly. Curly fries. No, yes, curly fries.
Oh, you have to go with curly fries, bro.
No,
Fuck them
I'm
crinkle
serious,
cut.
bro. Curly fries are the best. I'm sorry. Ooh, that's Jack in the Box right there. Oh my gosh. Jack in the Box. Curly fries are the best.
Nope. Hey, what the fuck?
No, I'm sorry. I'm getting distracted. I'm sorry.
Oh fuck. No, why the fuck my gun just go back to default, man? What the fuck is this, bro?
Oh, my bad, yo.
What do you do in order for you to say my bad?
Bomb is right here, huh?
Cheesecake.
Oh, fuck.
Oh my god.
Shut up,
all
culo.
by myself.
Oh yeah, laying on your vagina, bro.
In your spawn, twat. Your spawn. Remember that. Before you start complaining like a little schoolgirl.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This guy.
Yep.
Oh, make sure I'm orange. Yeah, orange T1000. One more. There you go.
Hey! Oh, I keep dying like, I don't know what I'm doing.
Oh, good shit.
Lick my bum bum.
Bitch asses.
I'm sorry, should I sit there and cry about it like you did?
Lick my bum bum.
Nah, I said good shit.
Lick
Now
his
move
bum
on,
bum.
faggot.
Lick his bum bum.
I swear to God, the dude loves the taste
No,
of his
we're
own
playing
dick.
with teams right now.
Yeah, and fucking
Lick
suck
my
it all
bum
the
We are
time.
playing with teams.
Cat finally learned how to spray paint people, and now he's having a blast.
Hey! You should have kept shooting, what the fuck?
Bye.
The way you turn around and round and die.
My bum bum. My little bum bum.
Get your bum bum ass up.
I can see your nostrils from here. Shut up, bitch.
0 and 3, 0 and 1, 1 and 3, 1 and 3.
Poppy, please stop. What the fuck?
Hardcore search and destroy. Work quick and clean.
I guarantee you that's a little kid.
Yeah, they are. They are.
Can you please stop biting? 'Cause I don't know what's the reason.
Yeah, get the fuck out of here, bitch.
Take it on the chin. Get ready for the next round.
Damn.
Alright, bop bop.
Motherfucker just crawling like a bitch. Let me crawl. Let me crawl.
Search and destroy. Defend the objective. One traitor left. Eliminate them.
Son Fanari. Looking at a small fuck.
Go to bed. My bum.
You San Fanari looking ass motherfucker. Good morning, motherfucker.
You have the stupidest name ever.
Good
dude.
morning, motherfucker.
Good night, bitch.
Baby, I need another chance.
Eliminate the objective.
Oh, what? No, that's a cheating, bro. You cheat.
I fucking hate this map.
Yeah, I hate it too.
Yeah.
There are 4 left. 4.
Oh, I hear you, bitch.
Oh, for
Somebody's
water
cheating,
pistol?
bro. How the fuck you shoot all that shit on us?
Put your face. Yeah, you gotta do it 'cause that's ask for your face.
Hey,
kiss my ass.
What about you kiss your own ass, Goofy?
How can he kiss his ass? Because he's fat. The fuck?
Protect the objective.
You funny, bro.
Okay, I'm done dying, bro. There's one camping in their spawn.
Hey! Oh my god, bro. I don't need a shit. Fuck! Took it. Fuck this map anyways.
Kiss my ass.
Shut the fuck up. Copying people's audio and using it.
Against ass, first game.
I need another chance. Hmm? What?
Destroy the objective.
Where?
Okay.
Oh, I didn't
Okay.
die. Left, leave.
Shit. Hell no. There ain't no fucking way we're gonna be staying there. I fucking hate that map. Hey, just let me know whenever you gonna get off. FSM. FSM. Right this guy. FSM.
It's Limu Emu. Where's Doug?
Sanoma.
What's up, man?
Like that name.
Hey.
Sanoma.
I die midday.
He's on B.
He was on B.
Oh, fuck. I don't know how to call that out. He was in one of those rooms by B.
This
Coming
is
from
a
A.
new map on me, so
Yeah.
this is a new map for me, so
Bombs right
I
here.
can't even call it out. So yeah.
Yay, breezy.
Hey.
Turtle.
Hey.
Wasted.
Like it. Like.
I remember that from the game. He killed Donnie.
I killed
Surprise,
Donatello.
surprise.
Up.
What are you doing, cat? Hey, no, bad.
This is
bad. You don't tear up stuff. No, ma'am. Tearing something up. But
Two naman. Two naman. Mula na masubagan.
They help to keep your vision sharp. And those teeth, they're a little spicy.
Sige.
Nice.
God, Daddy, I sure know we go. I shop with you there. That's Trios. Bird. Wait, your phone charging, okay? You're playing later. Если вы не кая, да,
Do you wash your head? We need to see a doctor. Hi, doctor. We have a problem here.
Let me explain to you what happens when you don't wash your hair. Let me show you. See? This is what happens when you don't wash your hair. Imagine that this is your head. And if you don't wash your hair, there's little bugs called lice that can live inside of your hair and make it really itchy and uncomfortable. So that's why you always have to wash your hair. Look at this little guy. Oh. Ah. There's some of these bugs right there. So right there, get. See the right there trying to get away. There you go. Good job. You see? It's so important to keep your head nice and clean.
Mm-hmm. Now, let's wash your hair.
Welcome to Reinvented with Accenture.
tekrar ama ve tekrar var şeyden. Yeşil ağır.
I'm looking for the pink marker. Ah, found it. Oh, hi. Let's see if I can draw a catty cat. Blindfolded.
Copy that, Arbor.
The catty cat I'm going to draw is... Andy! Let's give it a go. Okay. Let's see. This marker. And I'm going to start painting his head. Let's see. Big circle with 2 triangle ears over here. And then, let me see. He has eyes right here. 2 big ovals. It's a cute little pupil. Now, I know Pandy has a pink heart nose. I'm looking for the pink marker so that I can draw his... Ah, found it! I'm gonna draw... Oh, I forgot where his nose was. Let's guess. Right here. Should be good. I'm gonna draw his cute little mouth. Okay, I'm gonna work on his body now. That's like another big circle right there. His arms. And a little cross tip over here. His legs.
Now I always wash my hair. Thank you, doctor. Goodbye.
No problem, Nastia. I'll send you the bill.
They got Lodi. They just spot Lodi. Oh shit, you guys back there. I need a little bit more.
You have to wash your hands before you eat. Now you have to see a doctor. Come on. Doctor, we have a new problem. She doesn't wash her hair.
All right, let's take a look. Yikes. Ugh, these hands are so dirty. We've got to wash our hands. That way you can stay nice and healthy. I'll teach you all about it. Come on. So when you don't wash your hands, everything you touch, you get germs and bacteria on it. And then when you eat it, it goes into your body, and that's what makes you sick. That's why it's important to always wash your hands. Let me show you. Look at all those germs in his belly. He's got to be feeling sick.
Co na mizie?
Look, you see? It's a worm. That's why you gotta wash your hands. I think it's time for you to...
It's on top. Oh shit! Oh, another one on bottom, bro.
Thank you, doctor. Now always wash my hands. Let's go. Bye.
Yeah, we're doing churros. Eswalan.
What happened? My toe hurts. Come on, we have to see a doctor.
Oh, hey, Nastia. How are you?
Doctor, she had a toothache.
Oh, no. Let's take a look. Do you brush your teeth every day?
I don't brush my teeth.
Let me teach you why it's important to brush your teeth every day. Watch this. That's a big mouth, huh? First of all, let's brush these teeth. Now you try. And now, let's remove this cavity. Here. Here's one. Good job.
Doctor, look! There's a cavity!
Now those teeth look great. Good job.
Look, Doctor, there's even a hole in there.
That's not a problem. We can fix it. All right, now we're gonna fill it in and make that cavity look brand new.
Hey.
And
Hala.
don't forget to floss. See how much stuff was hiding in there? That's why it's so important to floss. Okay, kiddo, these are for you. Now remember, always brush your teeth. Here you go.
I'll always brush my teeth. Bye, Doctor.
Bye. Now it worked. To me or not to me?
No. Too much sugar. Take only one. Wait. Wait a minute. Oops. You again? Come on. We have to see a doctor. Hi, Doctor.
Hey.
Hi again, Doctor.
What the fuck is this? Hell no, fuck that area. I'm not gonna spot here.
We gotta take a deeper look. Alright, we need to take a deeper look. Let's use this x-ray to see what's going on. You've got all these candies in your belly. And in your chest too. And even in your head. Too much candy. Now we gotta remove all these things from your skin. Here you go. Let's do it.
Oh damn, I got 0 kills, whoa. Fake it, mga dalan.
Nice and clean. Let's talk about healthy snacks. This or that. This or that. This or that. This or that. And now you see why it's important to choose healthy snacks.
Now we will be healthy. Thank you, Doctor.
No problem. Bye, guys.
Hey, thank God. Sino nga yun? Yeah! Walang kiyan mo depressing you. Hindi yung taltutat. Ngayon na kasi.
Why are you sitting so close to the screen? We need to see a doctor. Come on. Doc? How'd you hear? Never mind. Yeah, something's wrong with his eye.
maintain a distance of 20 to 40 inches away. Or even worse, you can lose your vision.
Fuck! What happened?
And have to wear glasses.
Now I will keep my distance.